Okay, Sunday morning delivery. More non-DP car content. I think this is for the Fiat. I've ordered some parts because Fiat is due for brakes. And I ordered some extra stuff. Cabin air filter. So I don't think that's ever been changed in the 12 years we've had the car. And this, wiper blades. Here we are. What an odd box. So I normally try and get parts at the local auto parts store, but they never have wiper blades that fit the Fiat. So this looks small, but I think there should be 3 blades in there. We'll see. Okay, that is the weirdest box I've ever seen. But yes, there are indeed 3 wipers. The ginormous one on the driver's side, and then the 2 itty-bitty ones, one on the back hatch and one on the passenger side. Woohoo! I'm gonna go put these on. All right, so wipers are easy to replace on a Fiat. They've got that old little hooky thing, hooky style. Thing. See, it's like a little U. And so on this guy, the new one, it's got this little cover that comes up, and you can put it in. It's hard to do this one-handed. I'm the wrong way. There we go. There we go. One-handed. That's the type of mechanic I am. Oops. One-handed and backwards. There we go. So, and without any vision at all. There we go. There. Ha! Take the little green shipping protector off. Bam. 2 new windshield wipers.